Hello guys, my name is Piroskazis and this is part 4 of our Mediator series. In this part we will talk about Mediator's support for stream, and let me show you what I have. I added in our previous Heroes API project heroes.txt, in which I have some heroes in plain text, each hero per line. And in my fake repository, my heroes repository, I add an async enumerable of hero method called streamAll, in which I return each hero from that file. Now I have talked in this channel about async enumerable, and I will put a link in the description below. But what I'm doing here is, instead of waiting to read all the lines of that file, I read each line and then I return the hero. So I will read the Spider-Man, I'll return that, I'll read Iron Man, I'll return that, I'll read that's Hulk and I'll return that, etc. So the purpose is to call an endpoint, and that endpoint will return all the heroes one by one. So I could go to my controllers, in my heroes controller, create a new method. So I will say that it's an HTTP GET, and let's say that for the route is stream, and I will have a public async enumerable of hero, let's call that stream, and we will accept a cancellation token. So I could inject my repository here and just return that stream all method, but since we added Mediator, we want Mediator to be responsible for our use case in the application, so we're going to send that to Mediator. What I'm going to do is, I'm going to my queries, create a new one. I will call that stream all heroes query. Let's make that a record. Okay, and now instead of the I request of T, I need to implement, or to mark, if you will, that record with the iStream request of hero interface. So I'm going to say iStream request of hero, since what we return is an async enumerable of heroes. And now I'm going to implement the handler of that query. So I'm going to say public class stream all heroes query handler, and that will be an iStream request handler of the stream all heroes query and hero. And now it yellow screen because it needs me to implement that handle method. So first of all, I'm going to inject my repository. So private read only iHeroes repository heroes repository. I'm gonna initialize that through the constructor, and now all I'm going to say in here is return heroes repository dot stream all, and let's pass the cancellation token as well. And now in my heroes controller, all I need to say in here is return mediator.createStream and pass the request. So I'm going to say new stream all heroes query, and I will also pass the cancellation token. And that was pretty much all. In order to see that in action, I'm going to debug that project, and I'm going to a new window in my browser, and I'm going to hit that localhost 7028/heroes/stream, and I'm actually going to open the developer tools, and I'm going to the network. And now that our project is running, if I hit that request and we get that, as you can see, our heroes return back one by one. And when we have all our heroes, they will also appear in our page. So let's do that again. I will refresh the page, I will go to my request, and as you can see, the response is coming, each hero one by one. So I don't want to focus too much on streams and async enumerable. As I said, I have a video, an introduction to async enumerable, that was all about the showcase that Mediator supports streams. So that was pretty much all for that video. If you liked it, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and have a nice one.